Hi guys, welcome to IT Networking. So a lot of issues in repair and different way you restore and image restore and by command and repair and uninstall update. So it's not repair Windows 11. So I suggest you come to back and shut down your totally off your computer and press shift key and on your system, and this command come display and then release shift key. Okay, then come to troubleshoot options and reset PC. Reset PC. In PC two options are available: keep my file and remove everything. So if you click to remove everything, so remove all data and software also, and in this remove all settings and your softwares, but data is safe. So I suggest you try this. Okay, and then you do not click to cloud because your internet is very your internet is fast. You can click to download cloud. If you want to slow, just click to same versions. You want to update, so click to local installations. Now system resetting this system, so please wait. So 5 to normal 30 minutes and then reset all systems. Better data is safe. Okay guys, thank you. Have any issue, please comment.